You must be wondering, whenever I popped up here, there must be something wrong in Manipur. The Prime Minister did not have time to visit. In 3 years, it's a heartbreaking incident. Even I couldn't see the video, and I don't want to see it still. When I see glimpses of that, it hurts me so bad. Imagine a mother getting to her senses in hospital bed and come to know that your children are no more. Before they went to sleep, the young boy, 5 years old, said, "Mama, I love you." You must be wondering, whenever I popped up here, there must be something wrong in Manipur. Whenever I came here, it's very unfortunate. All of we are aware. You're also aware, I suppose. For the last 3 years, Manipur has been burning. And I have been saying, so is many people, including our party leaders, have been saying that the government of India is treating whatever happens in Manipur as if it is in a foreign country, as if it is not part of the country. The Prime Minister did not have time to visit. In 3 years, he could make 1 hour stopover in Imphal to inaugurate some projects and so on. That callous attitude towards the suffering of the people of this state continues this month as well. There are a series of unfortunate incidents again happened, violent incident, telling us that the situation has not changed over the last 3 years. I'm sure that although these were not covered, unfortunately, by our national media adequately as we would have loved to. On 7th of this month, April, you're all aware that a projectile, an RPG attack, reportedly it was an RPG, happened in a village in Trong Laubi in Vishnupur district of Manipur. It's a heartbreaking incident. Even I couldn't see the video, and I don't want to see it still. When I see glimpses of that, it hurts me so bad. You must have seen now that this mother and 2 young children. One is a 5-year-old boy, and his younger sister, which is a 5-month-old baby. They were peacefully sleeping, and then that attack happened and exploded, unfortunately, in that bedroom itself. And the 2 children died. Some of you must have seen it. When the mother came to her senses, she was struggling for her life in hospital. Frankly, I couldn't see the entire video because it hurts. Imagine a mother getting to her senses in hospital bed and come to know that your children are no more. And she was breaking. I get goosebumps. She said, before they went to sleep, the young boy, 5 years old, said, "Mama, I love you." That's what she was recollecting it. The younger daughter was supposed to have a Churakaran ceremony. No, it's not Churakaran. I don't know what you call it. The solid food का एक रिचुअल होता है बच्चे का. तो 5 महीने का लड़की है, वो 2-3 दिन में होने वाला था. उसका पिताजी जो है BSF में सिपाही है. He is posted in Bihar. His mother is also on a leave. She works as a nurse in a hospital in Guwahati, in our neighboring state of Assam. And that tragic incident is a reminder that we have lost so many people's life, precious life, over the last 3 years, including, this is not the first time you have an infant. We have instances of this before as well, including those who were slaughtered in captivity in a cold-blooded manner. It's not even a mob violence. We have seen children being killed in the mob violence when ambulances were burned down and so on. And some were very brutal, in cold-blooded. Infants were also slaughtered after taking them into hostage. And this violence on 7th of April is a reminder that the situation is not under control. It is a pretension, it will be a dishonest pretension if one thinks that the violence has come down in Manipur. The society and polity is still divided, and strange it seems the government of India decides to create buffer zones without admitting it legally. I have tried to visit those places. As an MP, I can't visit my own constituencies because the security forces stop me. And there is no standing legal order. It is illegal and unconstitutional. They impose it, including a member of parliament.